Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and it is Sunday, which means Faith Planner Process video. And today I'm using this sticker booklet from Amy Tangerine. I got it from Tuesday morning, so here's a look at the sticker if you're somebody who tries to track down and see if your local Tuesday morning has items. But this is available on scrapbook.com, so I will link it down below. It's just these really cute, clear stickers that I kind of stumbled upon and decided to use in my planner. You can see I like to take my planner pages out of this planner just by making a little snip with my scissors down the center of the coils into the pages, and that way I can remove my pages and then just insert them back into my planner. This is the agenda planner from Dayspring. I've been using it since last summer and have gotten so much use out of it. So it's a really great planner for what I use it for. And we're just going to keep the entry pretty simple. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I had been down for a little bit of time. I skipped last week. I didn't even scripture write last week. So, and that's okay. As I flip through my planner, I don't let that bother me. Last week is blank and it is completely all right. Things happen, life happens. Don't feel like this project has to be a must-do thing. It's not the end of the world. So you can see when I apply washi to the bottom, it covers part of those holes. So when I flip it over, I'm just dusting my EK Success powder tool over the stickiness that's exposed, and then I can just use a hole punch to re-punch that hole. And then I can cut another little snip into it and I can insert these back into my planner. I haven't had any problems with pages falling out. I did have somebody ask me about that, and no, my pages don't fall out. I don't carry it in my purse. This planner is pretty big anyways, and now it's full of stuff. So it stays in my office, but I haven't had any problems. And so this was just a matter of sticking down stickers. It happened that the sticker booklet was colors that really matched well with the colors already at the top of this week's spread. So I didn't really have to do much with that. And they're super cute. It's kind of a mixture of themes in this booklet. There's like some jungle, you got that tiger and some flowers and some jungle leaves, but then you have a whole bunch of these art supplies that are so cute. And so I'm just kind of sticking to art supplies, and I will save some of those other stickers for another project. There's also food related items, and it's full of gold foiled phrases and icon stickers for planners and little hearts. There's just all kinds of stuff in this booklet. It was a total score. I was excited. I haven't looked to see. I've never used any of her stickers before. These are a thicker, clear sticker than what like clear label paper would be. And surprisingly, I was able to reposition these. So you'll see here in a minute that I swap out the paint palette and the typewriter just because I didn't like that they were facing out from my pages. I know that sounds crazy. I didn't want them facing out. I wanted things facing in towards the center of the spread. And so you can see here I can just pull it off the page really slowly, and it didn't tear the sticker, didn't tear the page. So I was really impressed with that. I need to look into her stickers and see if she has more options because I really like these. And they all have this gold foil detail to them, and they're very vibrant colors. Sometimes clear stickers kind of lose their vibrancy when you apply them to a page, but these are very brightly colored. So I can't wait to use the florals and stuff in here. And that tiger is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it on yet, but it's pretty cool. So you can see there's some icons there and some single words. There's some banners. There's some hearts. I want to say there's like over 300 stickers in here. So, and again, if you haven't watched any of my other Faith Planner Process videos, I use this planner. The monthly spreads I use to plan out my life, my business schedule, social media type stuff, and appointments and school things and all that. And then my weekly spreads I use for daily scripture writing. I have talked about it in a couple different videos, the different things that I use. I'm currently just using the daily scriptures from the YouVersion Bible app, but there are a lot of scripture writing plans out there that you can use. And it's just an opportunity for me to write out scripture and just get into the Word for a few minutes a day. you know, because some days I don't have time to get into a deep study or do a devotional, but at least I'm spending a few minutes just writing out scripture, and it does help with memorization. So it's not like the next week I can go, oh, I remember all 6 verses I wrote last week. No, but over time, you know, being exposed to those verses over and over and over, it's helping with, you know, I recognize a verse that I've written before or read before, and so it does help with that. And I'm just adding some washi tape. I really didn't have a plan for this. Sometimes I get everything planned out before I get on camera with you guys, but this I just kind of sat down and decided to throw stuff down. So after the stickers, I felt like it might be a little boring for you guys to watch stickers, so I decided to add some stamping. I'm pulling out, this is an older stamp set, or stamp pad from Illustrated Faith. They used to include ink pads with their devotional kits. They don't any longer, so this ink is not available for purchase, but you could use any pigment ink. I really like the Colorbox pigment inks and the Colorbox chalk inks. I will list those down below if I remember. They have some great quality inks that would be comparable to this one, but I'm trying to use up some of my products in my stash, so bear with me. I have this Elements stamp set from Illustrated Faith, and I'm just taking some of the different textures. This stamp set is a great one to have. I use it again and again and again. I think it's been out for at least a year, if not 2 at this point, and I use it all the time, so it's a good one to have. I decided to go ahead and add a little bit of paint scraping to pull in some more of the green. And like I said, just trying to add some more interest. And I think this really pulled it all together, but still trying to leave plenty of room on the page for me to do my scripture writing. So that's the most important part of the spread. It's not the cuteness, it's having the room to write my verses out. And then I can just push this right back into my planner. I use a pair of scissors just so I don't mess up my fingernail polish, but you can just push them down in there and it feels pretty secure. I haven't had any problems with them coming out. And that is it for the spread this week. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those down in the comments down below, or comments. If you're looking for links to products used in the video today, check the box underneath this video as well as over on my blog. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.